Dito ka sa lugar na to, yung feelings na alam mo yung relax ka dahil yung mga nalalanghap mo na hangin talagang fresh na fresh, and nagiging nagiging refresh, parang nagiging coping mechanism mo yung pagpunta sa lugar na to. And ito yung pinaka the best na place dito sa lugar na to, kung saan kung mahilig ka sa TikTok, Instagram, ito na yon. Yan.
So hey guys, now we're going to Dubai Island. We're going to have so much fun, and the hot and cold, it is partnered, so yeah, and then we will enjoy too much because say hello Yaya.
I have umbrella.
The Yaya has umbrella and the
and then the bossing has no umbrella.
Avoid milasma.
This is, I call it Miami of Dubai. Napakaganda ng lugar and so beautiful. I am 100% you're going to enjoy. So yeah. So yan guys, yan, nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa may Dubai Island. Dubai Island isa sa pinaka famous na tourist spot dito sa Dubai. Ito yung bagong tourist spot dito. Kagagawa lang tong island na to. Literally, andito tayo ngayon sa gitna mismo ng dagat. Yan, I think mga 6 kilometer from the shore tong lugar na to. Yan, napakaganda niya talagang yung ambience ng lugar. Talagang napakaganda ng weather. Medyo nag-aagaw yung init at kalamig. Yan, maliligo tayo mamaya. Actually, ang island na to guys is reclaim island. Kumbaga, tinatambakan lang nila ng sand and ginagamitan ng vibro compaction kung tawagin. So, hanggat ma-reach yung desire na load para tayuan ng mga buildings. So, napakaganda niya kasi free yung parking, walang entrance fee, and may mga facilities, pwede kang maligo ng dagat. Saka makikita mo lahat greenery. Yan, nasa gitna ng dagat, pero hindi mo isipin na nasa gitna tayo ng dagat. Napakaganda ng lugar, talagang panalong-panalo. Kung gusto nyo mag-enjoy with your family, with your friends, you can bring here for free guys. Yan, for free. Napakaganda niya. Papakita natin sa inyo yung mga iba pang mga pwedeng gawin sa lugar na to. So, be with us. Dapat nakasunbathing ka. Nakaswimsuit ka dapat, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung katulong natin, maghihintay ito, maliligo tayo, yung katulong natin dyan lang yan. Dapat nag-swimsuit ka next time, okay? Bawal pumunta dito pag hindi naka-swimsuit. I believe hindi pa available yung bus yata papunta dito, I believe. So dapat mayroon kayong sariling sasakyan, o you can come by taxi also. So nasa mga 10 minutes yung biyahe from the main city to this island. Madali lang siyang hanapin, gumamit lang ng Waze. So pagdating nyo dito, medyo marami mga left and right, pero okay lang yun pag nag-Waze ka or nag-Google Map, mabilis lang naman yun. So from the proper city, 10 minutes yata ang papunta dito. And pagdating nyo dito guys, napakaraming parking dyan sa gilid. So mga free parking yan. Trip nyo naman pumunta dito, hindi maligo, gusto nyo lang talagang lumanghap ng sariwang hangin at tumingin ng magandang tanawin, so may hallway din dito. Dito yung hallway na kung saan maglalakad ka, makikita mo yung mga magandang tanawin. Talagang mag-i-enjoy ka. Yan, and papuntahan natin ngayon yung pinakamagandang spot dito, yung pinakasikat talaga na pinapapicture ng mga tao dito, yung sa part ng lugar natin na to, dyan sa unahan makikita natin. So pipil natin na parang wala tayo sa Dubai. Imagine Dubai is a desert place, pero pag andito ka talagang nawawala sa isip mo yun dahil sa nakikita natin may mga malalaking kahoy, and it's all greenery yung makikita natin sa lugar na to. Talagang super na mag-enjoy ka dito ka sa lugar na to. Yung feelings na alam mo yung relax ka dahil yung mga nalalanghap mo na hangin talagang fresh na fresh, and nagiging refresh, parang nagiging coping mechanism mo yung pagpunta sa lugar na to. And ito yung pinaka the best na place dito sa lugar na to, kung saan kung mahilig ka sa TikTok, Instagram, ito na yon. Yan, look at that, look at this place. This is Dubai Island. Yan, andito tayo, nakikita natin yung sign ng Dubai Island na yan. Ang sa background niya nakikita natin yung White Beach. Yan, so napakaganda niya. Andito ka magpapapicture, talagang panalong-panalo. Look at that, mag-360 tayo. Yan, look at that. So super ganda niya. Yan, White Beach guys, napakaganda niya. Yan. Ito yung Ito yung pinaka-famous na papicturan dito for TikTok, for Instagram, or for all social media. Yan, napakaganda niyan. Talagang panalong-panalo yung lugar. Yan. Oh, what happened?
Drinking,
How many liter you drink now?
10!
How's the experience, man?
First time, it's too cold.
It's not that cold.
It's
It's only negative.
No, when you're if you dip your body inside the water,
That's okay.
it's hot. Dito na tayo ngayon, look at that. Napakaganda ng dagat, talagang crystal clear yung dagat nandito. So, kaya lang medyo malamig and it's free, guys. Alam mo, hindi mo but someday maybe ang lugar na to, I don't know. One of those days, magkakaroon na to ng entrance. So habang hindi wala pang entrance, let's grab the opportunity. And so guys, there is one bad news now. Yeah, I forgot to apply sunblock in my face. So now my beauty is gone. No, I don't have beauty anymore. Look at that. So I should apply sunblock and whitening. So what happened to my beauty now? Finished?
Wala, I don't even have beauty.
I don't have beauty.
It didn't have beauty since the start.
Dahil competition, guys, don't know how to swim. Don't know how to swim.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Ay, buga. Daming lugar na akong nawaya.
Move on each and every day.
Tingnan nyo guys, si Yaya, oh. Mas gumanda si Yaya ngayon, nasa beach. Isan, look at your Yaya.
Oh, don't
I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
Papakita ko sa inyo yung CR nila dito kung gaano kaganda. Sa labas pa lang talaga, napakaganda na ng pagkalisin nyo. Look at that. Ito yun. Tingnan nyo guys, yan. Ito yung CR nila dito. Napakaganda nung design. Look at that. Dito lang yan dito pa yan sa labas. Yan, sa loob mamaya kasi bago ka pumasok.
Way back a year ago.
Ang facility nila talaga panalo yan. So yan guys, it's the end of our video for today. Yan, hanggang dito na lang. Yan, sana nag-enjoy kayo guys. And yeah, starting now, we are going to upload some beautiful place dito sa Dubai. So yeah, I will try to keep up on vlogging dito sa Dubai. Since very beginning, gusto ko talagang gawin tong part na to. Kaya lang wala tayong time, nasa trabaho palagi. And now I decided to do something to continue vlogging. It's as a memory guys. Alam mo, magandang memory itong nasa YouTube. And yeah, kung nanood kayo ng video na to guys, kung dumating kayo sa part na to, please subscribe our channel. Kung hindi nyo rin gusto, please subscribe our channel. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat and see you. Bye bye.
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.